Hi friends, I'm going to talk today about this implant which I used to use for my total hip replacement. It's a femoral implant which was designed by my mentor, Dr. Henry Finn. It is called Microplasty Hip. It was from Biomet at that time. Now it's Zimmer Biomet. It's no longer manufactured. Um, it's a very low profile, very small, suitable for both anterior, direct anterior approaches as well as obviously posterior one. Um, the important part about this implant was it, if you can see the profile, it's curved on this side and straight on this side. So it's an anatomic implant. So it came right side and the left side based on those curves. It's coated with proximal area with porous plasma titanium, which gives an instant kind of scratch fit when you initially insert it, and very good both um, bone growth later on. It has an inbuilt anti-version there. Pretty nice and easy implant to work with. Unfortunately, it's now obsolete. Thanks for watching.